Roxtec Knockout Frame UG Transit for watertight cable and pipe entries underground. Do you want to protect your site and equipment against flooding and humidity, and at the same time have the possibility to route cables and pipes whenever you want? Use the Roxtec Knockout Frame Transit KOF to form an efficient water barrier. The cast-in frame has a knockout plate that remains tight until it's time to install your cables, pipes, and sealing components. It's designed for Roxtec sealing solutions. In this way, the builder can leave a dry site with built-in spare capacity. Roxtec provides a frame designed especially for walls, underground vaults and foundations, as well as for prefabricated walls, shelters, and kiosks. The Roxtec Knockout Frame overall depth can easily be adjusted to fit the wall thickness and thereby eliminate the need for casting moulds. Just add the right number of KOF adapters and attach the frame with nails, screws, glue, or magnets to the formwork. If there is a need to connect a cable protection pipe to the KOF, you can use the KOF adapter round, which works with a standard 200mm cable protection pipe. Thanks to the integrated connection function, you can form space-efficient frame combinations to fit your needs. You can even combine them into clusters with round Roxtec knockout sleeves, KOS. The frame can also work as transportation protection when producing prefabricated shelters and kiosks. Use the Roxtec knockout frame and Roxtec black sealing components to form a transit ensuring safety and operational reliability, all while preparing your project for future upgrades and regulations.